Hey, in this session we are going to learn about static keyword in Java. So what is static keyword? Static keyword in Java is used for memory management. I- Static keyword is used an access modifier, and the static keyword can be called without help of an object, and we can call also with the help of the object, and the static keyword can be called by class name also. In this we can use static keyword in variable, method and inner class. First of all, I am going to execute in variable. So now I am going to create a program. In this I already created a scan as a class. So in this I am going to declare a instance variable. I am going to give the data type int, and I am going to variable name as a price equal to, I am going to give the value 100. So in this I am going to declare a static keyword. So now I am going to call without the object, where I am going to print system.out.println. Inside this I am going to give the variable name as a price. So now I am going to call that value. It's running. So in this we can see the output as a 100. Using this without creating object we can access. So now I am going to create with the object. So I am going to create a new class name and the object name as a equal to new class name inside the bracket, and so now I am going to call the method. So here I am going to give the system dot print out println. So inside this I am going to give the object name a dot price, the variable name. So now I am going to call. The output is once again it will print 100. So now I am going to declare with the class name also. So I am going to print the statement. So inside this I am going to give the class name scan dot price. So now I am going to call. Inside this I am going to give double quotes the value is 100. So now I am going to run. Yeah, finally it will execute. The value is 100. So this is called without creating object we can declare using static keyword, and this is we can create object, and without create an object or without creating object we can using static keyword we can declare a class name. So this is the variable. So next I'm going to tell about method. So now I'm going to create a method public void. Since I'm going to give the method name as a display. So inside this I'm going to print println. So in this double quotes I'm going to give hello 1. So next I'm going to create a static method. So public static void. I'm going to give the method name as a show double quotes. In this I'm going to print hello 2. So system out println. Inside this double quotes I'm going to give hello 2. So in this I'm declare as non-static method and static method. So now I'm going to call without the object in main method. So now I'm going to call the class name scan dot method name. Now I'm going to run. So it will print the hello 1. So show is a method name. So now I declared it will printed a hello 2. So next I'm going to using object creation. I'm going to print. So in this I'm going to create object scan. So a equal to new scan. So now I'm going to print a dot show or display. So it will print hello 1. This is called static method. So next I am going to tell about static inner class. That means a static class created within a class. It can access non-static data member and method. It can access static member of outer class including private. So now I am going to execute in program. Here I am going to erase. So here I already created a class as a scan. So inside this I am going to declare a variable with static keyword. I am going to give the data type int and variable name as a data equal to, I am going to give the value 300. So next I am going to create a class as a scanner. So I am going to give static class. I am going to give the name as a scanner. So inside this I am going to create a method. So I am going to give void method name msg, that means message. So bracket. So inside this I am going to print. So I am going to give the print statement system dot out println. So inside this I am going to give the variable name data. So inside this double quotes, the data is. So now I am going to create a object for scan class. So I am going to give scan dot scanner equal to object name equal to new scan dot scanner. Inside this I am going to call the method object dot method. So now I am going to execute. In this we created a two class. One is static class and one is not static. One is inner class and outer class. It will successfully print the data is 300. So this is called static inner class. So thanks for watching this video. In this we learned about static keyword in Java. So thanks.